The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hey, what's up? What's up? How many people ready to keep learning? We got lots of people here today, excited, hungry. Awesome. So today, Ares, what are we gonna cover today in the boot camp?
Today's going to be a short and sweet webinar on ad preparation, just before we launch our campaigns in the next module.
Awesome. Who's excited? Let's see. Who's excited? We got Irina. We got Will. Everyone. We're very excited to share with you. Yes, awesome. Okay, let's get this rocking.
All right. Okay, cool. So quick recap of what we did so far. We did the product research at the beginning. We used AliExpress, a couple of spy tools, things that you'll be seeing in the replay when we're done with the modules. A lot of people asking me about the replays. We're going to get it sorted out fast in the new section that we're creating. We also got this random product in the second module for the product preparation phase. We fixed the descriptions. We spoke about this bridge effect of the descriptions. A lot of people have been asking me. It's been really awesome to see that how many of you actually got the really good feedback on the bridge effect. I saw a few of you saying in the chat the other day that you even got sales when you didn't get sales before after you applied this method. So it's really good to see that people are applying, people are taking action on what's being said. Today we're going to talk about ad preparation. So we're going to prepare the ads before we actually jump into the campaigns, creating the campaigns in Business Manager. So just a quick note on your descriptions and stuff like that. Any old products that you promoted in the past, like 2-3 weeks ago or a month ago, didn't work and stuff. Although this is a good strategy, the bridge effect is a good strategy to use videos and images and stuff like that. What you want to do at a later stage when you got some time is go back to some of the products and maybe remove like an image or a video and stuff like that, because it does slow down your site if you have too many. And yeah, if you have a lot of images on your description and videos, it will slow down your site. So that's something that we overlooked last week a little bit. I didn't talk about that, so that's a good thing to know.
Yeah, also the title of the product, make sure it's completely different from AliExpress, because what people are gonna do, they're gonna be searching, on Google. Maybe they don't know you. They're gonna search on Google, and if they find it the same name on AliExpress, well, they're gonna find it for like $20 there, right?
Oh yeah, true. Yeah, very true. If you if you have the exact same name and somebody saw this ad, for example, and they saw the name of the product on Facebook and they decided to Google it, yeah, they're just gonna find it on AliExpress first because they're a bigger authority, so they're gonna be ranked higher. That's true. So you want to give it a unique name. This isn't really a unique name. They'll probably, if we search this, it'll probably show up in AliExpress before anywhere else. YouTube, GearBest, like, yeah, it's you need to get AliExpress. You could see it live right here, guys. You need to give it a unique name for sure. So let's jump into this. So the first thing we're going to do for the ads, I hope this is big enough for you to see. First thing we're going to do here for the ads is we're just going to think of a few angles. Now, this entire process that you're going to see here should take you maximum 1 hour. 1 hour to do, and you could do it a lot faster later on when you get the hang of it. It's right. We're trying to apply a system here of how we should be creating our ads and what kind of formats and how we should be thinking when we're making our ads. And I'm going to go through this really quick of how I thought about my angles in my ads. So this product that we're looking at here is a projector. I don't know anything about projectors, but using some common sense and some past experience that I had one for a little while, I came up with a few powerful angles: eye pain, fatigue, expensive, heavy, headaches. Now, these are all angles that are cons towards television sets, right? So normal televisions, not directly related to the projector. So the angles don't have to be benefits of the projector. They can be the cons of having a TV, which is what most people have. So I thought of these things here: eye pain, fatigue. I've heard my mom and my grandmother say many times, oh, my eyes hurt, I can't watch any more TV or something like that. So boom, right away, I said mom and grandmother. So you have an audience here that you can target for this as well. Grandparents or parents, not really parents, let's say over the age of 50 plus. You could target everybody 50 plus for an eye pain, eye fatigue. I even get it sometimes with my computer screen because I sit really close to it, but it doesn't really apply to me because I don't watch TV at all. So right away, we got this angle that can complement this audience right here, which is really cool. So we can write here angle, eye pain, fatigue. There we go. Audience. So we also got the audience for that. Expensive. TVs are really expensive. You get these brand new TVs, like 49-inch wide screens, ultra wide screens or whatever, and they're like $2,000 to buy, right? And you can get a projector that has really, really high quality, really nice, and it's like a fraction of the price. So it's not that expensive. Also, TVs, you put them in the house, you put them in a room, and it rarely, you're never going to move it. Like you might move it like once or twice in your entire lifetime, or if you're moving a house or something. So projectors can also be more portable. That's not really a great angle, but it's something. Headaches, again, that's something that can accompany this one here. Older age, headaches. So we got an audience for this pain and eye fatigue over the age of 50. Expensive can apply to everybody. So expensive can apply to angle. I wrote angel here, didn't I? Yes. Angle. There we go. And angle. Expensive. This could be very general. People that have, I don't know if there's targeting for people that have older TVs or people that like specific TVs. So you can target people that, oh, I think there's targeting of people that use smart TVs, for example. This is going to be a general audience, is going to be pretty general in this case. General, men, I would go with all, not really men or women, all, and all, and I might be targeting people based on income, people that make at least, I think it's 25 grand and over. So there's targeting for this stuff. There's targeting that you could find in for this. If you write income, you could find the targeting ranges of how much people are estimated to be making, okay? Based on their jobs and what their employment status is and so on and so forth. So here I wrote 3 different ads. These are 3 ads you can split test. You do not necessarily have to split test 3 at a time, but I'm going to show you some options, some different kinds of ways that you can, some different type of ad copies that you can use to give you like more options of depending on what you want to achieve and so on and so forth. I'm going to explain more while we read these. They're based, these first two, the first two ads are based, is a short ad, a medium-sized ad, and then there's a long one. They're based on this one. Oops, not this one. They're based around, where did it go? Oh, hold on. I must have closed it. Hold. Where's my desktop? Went away. Okay. My desktop went away. That's great. Okay. So it was based on one of Abdullah's ads that he gave us all in a webinar. It was in a presentation that he did, and he had an ad which basically looked like this one, the second one. This is how it looked like. It says, did you know that 86% of people that move heavy stuff get back pains and stuff? So I remodeled that and I wrote, did you know that over 80% of people who watch TV on a daily basis suffer from eye pain and eye fatigue? So it's great to start off an ad with a question or with a fun fact. It drives curiosity. It makes people want to know more. It's suspense. You know, it's a fun fact. It's something exciting for people to read, and it's kind of educational as well. So it has a edutaining kind of a factor, edutaining factor, which is educational and entertaining, edutaining, right? So this is ideally what you want to be testing. They're really great. It has the pain, it has the solution. Today our best sellers, the GP200 projector, 70% off, Black Friday special, and there's only 23 left. Don't forget about our free shipping and 365-day warranty, right? So all the benefits here and the pain. This one you can test out too. They work really, really good as well. Really short. It's just complete curiosity, nothing more. TVs are a complete rip-off. They cost thousands. They're heavy, and the quality isn't even that great when you compare it to this. What, right? So we spoke about the loophole, people's minds, how it works. We don't like how we don't like not having the answers to questions. Our brains always go nuts when we need to figure something out on our own, right? We always want the solution for something. It feels uncomfortable when we don't know. So it'll make them see the link, go to your product page, or watch the video that you have, and they get to find out more information there. So these two work great. You can test one or both. But I also wanted to bring to your attention these long ones, because these ones are super powerful ad copies. And a lot of internet marketers use them, but not enough, I should say. Not enough people use these kind of long form ads. And they're not just for ads, but I'm going to show you how you can kill 3 birds with 1 stone using this ad. There's a lot of benefits to it, so definitely worth testing. So if you read this here, you can buy an overpriced TV, but this is cheaper and better, right? I'm just going to read this really quick. Keep up with me and get the feeling of the message of what it's saying. I swear some of these moronic eye doctors are either possessed, high on crack, or actually dumb. My eyes hurt when watching TV, yet they claim the TV can't do any harm. Heavens above, words fail me. It's this kind of bad advice that can ruin your eyesight. Yep. Like my father has always said, if you want something done, get it done yourself. I ordered online the GP200 projector for a measly 1/8 of the cost of my TV, and already my eye pains are gone 100%, and I feel like 2020 again. Wow, is this true? You bet your ass it's true. The GP200 is genius, higher quality pictures than any TV, and it's portable. But finding projectors with such high quality ain't easy because they sell out fast. So if you want to buy the highest quality TV, not have any headaches, and want to enjoy your movies, shows, and at its fullest, check this link here. Currently 70% off, Black Friday special. Stock is running out fast, so get yours now, and you sign off with your signature. So quickly in the chat, how did that sound to you? Did it sound cool? Did it sound boring? Is that something you would read? Cool. All right, so what happens with this kind of ad? You're targeting people. It's great, cool, great. So what happens with these kind of ads? The people that actually read them are people that are interested in these kind of, how can I say this? The people that spend the time to read these, they get attached to these kind of messages. They get attached to these kind of messages. This is important too. It sounded good, but I honestly don't know if I would have the attention span to keep reading. That's true. You're not the type of person this ad is targeting, though. That's why these ads would work in most cases, right? But these ads have a different joy, different benefit. So the people that read these ads are people that are engaged much more than other people, because they're going to go through this whole entire ad. And if you haven't noticed, well, you can't really notice it because it's just one font, but this is a whole bridge effect on its own. This yep in the middle, this breaking of each paragraph, this I swear some of these moronic doctors, these words, the choosing of possessed, high on crack, these kind of words attract people. It sounds interesting. It sounds different, especially hearing it from somebody they don't know. All of this whole entire thing is like a huge bridge effect. And the people that will engage with this post and comment with this post are people that are really liking these kinds of stories. Okay, so you can use these. This is what I mean by three birds with one stone. You can use this as an ad. You can safely use this on your fan page as well to promote products. And you can also use this for email marketing. As a matter of fact, these type of emails are really easy to make, because in this Word document, I have 5 email templates I'm gonna send to everybody. And these email templates are from a seven-figure earner, email marketer. I've been on his list for, I think, 3 or 4 years now, and I've collected for the past few years all of his emails. So I have them all that he's sending on a daily basis, and he sends 3 or 4 emails a day, and they're all just like this. And he promotes internet marketing products, so nothing to do with e-commerce. But the good thing is, you're not going to be copying him anyway. Under any circumstances. Neither was I. When I was in internet marketing, promoting similar products, I was never copying him. But what you do is you simply just get inspiration of what he's saying and just remodel the whole thing. So if you see you can take a douchebag to water, but you can't make them sink, you can buy an overpriced TV, but this is cheaper and better. Okay, it's not the same engagement. The subject line is much better of his, but I didn't give this much thought. But if you continue reading further down, I swear some of the D-bags who email me are either possessed, high on crack, or actually just witches. I swear some of these moronic eye doctors are either possessed, high on crack, or actually dumb. You see what I did? I just took his words, and while I was reading it, I just came up with this, and I ended up making this all about a projector and all about how stupid doctors are, telling me how it doesn't affect your eyes, TVs don't affect your eyes, and it's not the TV the problem, and stuff like that. So these are nice, catchy, very, very eye-catchy stories people love reading. So these people that like your post, and you're gonna get comments from this, it's amazing to see actually how these people, they'll ask you how much, or they'll tag somebody who might be interested, but these people don't do that. These people actually almost as if they ignore the product, and they just go on and start talking about how a dumb eye doctor they've been to once, or how they bought a TV but they wanted to buy a projector, and they start engaging with the story. Those kind of people, you can go on, click on their name, and add them and invite them to your fan page, right, to your business page, and they're going to accept. I have like a 70% conversion rate on everybody who's engaging on these posts. inviting them, and I swear it feels like it's 100% success rate. Like everybody I'm clicking to invite to my fan page, they are joining. And then I started using these kind of emails, sorry, these kind of messages in my posts, because you do not want to be spamming these kind of posts in your fan page, right? That's why we're using dark posts. You don't, but these type of messages, yes, you do. You could do this daily, like twice, 3 times a day. Nobody's going to have any problem. Even if people know that this is pitching something, they're going to read it out of sheer joy, nothing else. They're going to be entertained. They're going to be following you. They're going to engage more on your posts, and you're going to make more organic sales as well. Everything it's just benefit on benefit on benefit on benefit. There's nothing wrong with testing this. Again, optional. You don't have to do it. But if you do, utilize it for your email marketing as well. I used this guy's emails 2 years ago with a list of 500 people that I had. A list of 500 people I haven't emailed for 8 months. They have no idea who the hell I was. They had no idea who I was. And I immediately hooked up one of his emails, reworded it to reflect my product, and I immediately pitched, like no warming up or introducing myself, immediately pitched. And I set up emails, 2 emails a day, 1 in the morning, 1 at night, and one for 3-4 days. And that's it. It made $200 from a dead list that had no idea who the hell I was. $200. These emails are extremely, extremely powerful. Don't make those generic emails that have like two what do you call them? 2 boxes for images to put new products. I mean, you could test those, but everybody does that. They're really generic. They're really dull. It doesn't say anything. There's like no value to that thing. Yeah, 75% off. Here's 2 images of the new products that we bought, that we have in our store, and the name of the products are this. You know, that's dull. Let's put a story, make something engaging. When you get people to engage onto your posts, onto your emails, all of these little things put together are going to make you a lot of money, a lot of money. So yeah, it's really easy to do it, as you see here. Like there's a lot of words I even copied. Heavens above, words fail me. Heavens above, words fail. Yeah, it's this kind of shameless entitlement mentality which is ruining our country. It's this kind of bad advice that can ruin your eyesight. Okay, so I'm going to be sending this to you in a zip file. I'll put it on the Facebook file as well, so you can have these to model these, and you could use them for your fan pages, and you can use them for your emails. Right, at this point, let me make this really clear, because there's a lot of people getting confused, not confused, but overwhelmed. Let's say that. People are getting overwhelmed with the amount of information that you're getting from me, from Johnny, from Abdullah. Let me make this really clear. Ads and ad sets and all of targeting and all that stuff, there's no one way to do this. Every single way you've heard so far are correct. There's not one single way to do this. And in the next module, when we're going to be setting up campaigns, you're going to see that I'm doing it in a different way too than any other way that you've seen so far. And it all works. Nothing is wrong. So if you want to use this ad, or this ad, 1 or 2, that's fine. If you find a winning product, it's going to work either way. Ad 3, I would split test with either this one or this one. Okay, if you want to split test all 3, do it. Do it. You'll have to invest a little bit more money so you can get more data on the 3 ads, but you can do it if you want. If you just want to do this one, just do that one. But this is the thought process behind the angles that we spoke about too. While you're thinking of the angles, think who it's going to benefit. This angle is going to benefit these people. And this is how you also can easily get the audience that you're going to be targeting. Okay, so do we have any questions on these ads, the short ones, the medium ones? I'll give you this template too. in this one here, this, what do you call it, notepad, this text file as well in the zip file, so you can have it if you want it. Do you have any questions about how you come up with these angles? You can simply Google search them. I think I demonstrated that last time, so I can, like, if you don't know anything about TVs and projectors, you can simply Google search bad things about TV, TV, 12 good and bad effects of television on children. That could be a good angle, something related to that. The good and bad effects TV on end, the 10 reasons to watch less TV. That could be some great information as well. Parents usually have a complaint that their kids are glued to television. So there you go. Do you have kids glued to your, no, that's not really going to help. But this is cause of concern. As a parent, you may have questions on impact. Yeah, you can get a ton of angles from this. And you start thinking, okay, this product is something to do with TV and children. Who is it going to benefit? Parents. Who else? Kids. Well, parents are going to be our target audience because it targets their kids. So there's the angle right there. Kids glued to TV, get your kids to watch less TV. Like if it was something related to that, you just Google search the negative impacts of that specific item and you can get all of the angles you're ever going to need. Sorry. Oh, there's questions. Hold on. How many?
Can I give a tip too?
Yeah.
What's the exact name of your product? What is it? Is it HD? Not the exact name, but what is it? Is it
It's a projector.
HD projector?
Yeah.
Is it pocket? The one that you put it in your pocket?
No.
Okay. It's just
although it's pretty small.
Okay, so go. Can you go to your Facebook news feed?
Yeah.
Okay, this is just a quick tip, guys. Because I know I'm not really that good with copy either, and I know say yes, guys, if you are not good with copy either, or coming up with ideas for ads or anything. Chat says, yeah, he's not. Most people are not, right? So why don't we show them for the ones who are bad like me? You know, put something like maybe HD projector on the search bar. HD projector. Let's see, maybe we find something. Search. Now let's find for 2017 and then videos. 2017 and then videos. And let's look at anyone that might look similar to the product that has a lot of views. Okay, that has a lot of views. Maybe that one, 123,000. I think above. There's a one that has a 20. Yeah, that one. If it has 100,000, it could be that did well, right? So you can have ideas there of copy, right?
Yeah, this is a perfect example of a short copy that we showed here, the short version of it. This is a perfect example of a short version ad.
Yeah,
that you can use.
So guys, you see how you can get ideas of copy in like 2 seconds. You don't have to be an expert. You can change a little words there, here, and there. Make sure you put emojis. I'll put emojis like you were showing at the event.
Yeah, Sync Sumo. This one right here.
Is this helpful, guys? Say yes. Is this helpful? Another thing, guys. It's just a ninja trick. I know a lot of people don't talk about it, but it's I mastermind with people doing big money, and you see how there's controversies of some people say put Bitly, put Google shortener, and he puts there his domain, right? His domain there, and he created a shortener version of his domain, which you can do actually in Shopify. Okay, and the reason why he does that is for credibility. Okay, credibility. He wants, when someone sees this and they see the name of his store is proven, the more people are going to click. Okay, that's just a little tip.
Wow.
That most people and this has been tested. Okay, and I know that sometimes we take it for granted. Oh yeah, Bitly. But what happens is that some people could potentially think, oh, Bitly might be spam. But if you're showing your domain name and you know that in Shopify you can go to your product page, and at the bottom you can create a shorter version, right, of your domain in Shopify. Do you know that?
Me?
Yeah, that in Shopify you can do that.
I don't think I saw that, but
Yeah, if you go, yeah, I think at the bottom,
oh wait,
I think at the bottom.
settings?
If you go to the page, to the product.
Oh, sorry.
Just find the product, and then go to the bottom, and I think somewhere there.
Edit website SEO.
Yeah. Okay. So you see there the page title. You can change it there to whatever you want, which is full HD or something like that, right? Something short, full HD projector or something like that. HD projector or something like that, right? Put HD projector. Okay, now update. You save, and it should.
The handle's gonna change?
No,
No.
it didn't change.
No, I think it's if there is gonna be something like that, it's probably gonna be.
No, I'm sure you can change the handle there. Maybe on the, how about on the link, go back.
Okay, go back.
Because go back. Go back to the link. Yeah, let's see. In the link, can you change the link? Do they allow you to change the link?
Oh, yeah, I guess, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, but you obviously you don't have a domain there, right?
No, I don't.
Yeah,
but it's still gonna shorten.
Yes, you can change it there.
Oh, URL redirect. Okay.
Yeah. So that's how you guys do it. Okay, that's how you guys do it. And
Nice.
what's going to happen is going to create more credibility in your ad. This is just a simple tip, but when you are doing big numbers, it's a very important tip. Yes.
Nice. We learn things every single day.
Guys, like it or not? Yes. Good.
I thought I knew everything about Shopify.
Little tips like that.
That's amazing. I love it.
like today, you guys learn three things. You know, how to find copy super fast, even if you're dumb like me. How to change the handle to make it more credible, and even don't worry too much about putting videos in your product page. Like, don't try to put too many things that will slow down. Let's put it that way, because speed is everything. Speed is everything. Okay, Speed is everything. And then another thing. What else? What other tip did we give them today?
Well, another benefit of not having a Bitly or a goo.gl is that you can't really find your ads, right? If you search in Google for Bitly and then you write, for example, free shipping, you're gonna get every single post there is. You can go to posts, or you can go to videos for the video ads. Every single ad or post that has a video and a Bitly thing, you're gonna find every single one right here. Look, it's all AliExpress products. Look at that, everything. It's all Bitly, free shipping. Everything that has free shipping in the ad copy and it has a Bitly, you could do the same thing for goo.gl. Everything that has a video.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it hides it from this as well. And this is a very common way of doing research. And you could filter this as well for 2017. If you go to posts, you can filter it even more, I think. Yep, you can go to November 2017, which is not opening for me because this is bugged for some reason. Let me refresh it. Yep, there we go, November.
The other tip was that to make sure the product page has a unique name, not the same name as AliExpress, especially when you're promoting it with ads, right?
Yeah.
So
yeah, November 2017. All of these are this month ads that you find, and you go to see all. There you go. So these are cool ways of doing research, finding products, finding ads, ideas, copies. They're all short. You see, everybody's a short. Where the hell is the long form one? Nobody is using the long form one. Nobody, not a single person. Nobody uses them. And they work like charms. Every good internet marketer you see online, all the huge multi-millionaire internet marketers, they use long emails. Even Johnny's posts for the mastermind stuff, they're long. Even Charles Go, I follow him a lot. Long, super long posts as well.
Yeah, it's good, but let's don't have that stop you from launching an ad, because at the end here the video is going to do the job, right?
Yeah, definitely.
The video is going to do the job and explaining really well, and it's proven that just the normal copies that shows a little pain and then the solution and then some deal that they get works. So
yeah, I'll make it 100% clear again. I'll repeat myself. You do not have to do this. It's just for you to have options. If you want to use it at some point, you can. It's just for you to know. Go, by all means, make all your ads like this. If it's a winning product, it's gonna win. Irrelevant. It's gonna win, right? If it's like this, it's gonna win. If it's a video or an image, it's gonna win. Here's another tip. If you can't make videos within 30 minutes, stop making videos, use images. Or if you can't find a simple, oh, I already searched it here. I was searching for GP90 3200, the projector that we have. That's not the projector. Oh yeah, it is GP90, right? If you can't find a video that's less than 1 minute that you can just throw onto your ad so people can see it, just put an image. Okay, just put an image. As long as there's no logos at the beginning. This is a really nice video, but I think the beginning is a huge logo like this, and then it has a lot of information, and then at the end it's his logo again. So if you know how to edit videos really quick, delete this first 4 seconds, delete the last 5 seconds, put the ad right away with the video, and you're done. This will take you 5 minutes to do. If you don't know how to do that, stop delaying. It's speed. Use an image, and you can try using an image of the product, so this one here, or something else like here or this, or you can just simply go to Google and write down projector quality. Is that what I searched for? Can't remember. Yeah, it was. And there it is, this picture up here on the top right. It's this one. Just like, okay, this looks like garbage here or something. Well, anyway, find a better picture, but find something that looks nice, that looks beautiful, that demonstrates what your product can do. It doesn't necessarily have to be the image of the product. Okay, so your product page, once they see this and they're like, wow, that looks amazing, or this, or something, they're gonna click the link and go to your product page, where they're gonna see all the details, the marketing on your page to sell. Okay, so that's the best tip I could give you for videos. If you can make one video in 1 hour or 2 hours, it takes you 2 hours to make a video, make one video and the rest pictures. Aim for 5 products no matter what happens. Launch 5 products a day. No excuses. Let me just scroll up because there was questions. That was great, like an advertorial, yes. How many emails do you send a day? 2. Morning 9 o'clock a.m. EST and 7 to 8 p.m. EST. Those are the most profitable times. Morning 8, 9 a.m. EST and 7, 8 p.m. EST. Most profitable times. You'll get a lot of clicks, a lot of open rates. It's the best times to do it. So 2 emails a day. Schedule them every morning. It'll take you 20 minutes to make them both. So that is a long copy story style ad copy, and a long copy has been proven to sell, but you are just telling a story to try and get people to engage more. It's the story that does the selling. It's the edutaining factor of the long form that makes it really compelling. It's a compelling story with that edge, with that humor, that education, but also entertaining factor, which wants to make people read, right? This seven-figure internet marketer that I'm talking about, he makes 7 figures with just email marketing. That's it. That's it. He's probably maybe the biggest email marketer in the world. I don't know, like legit white hat email marketing. He pitches several times per day, several. Like he has 2 on his one account. He schedules 2 on his one account and like 2 on the other account. So I'm getting 3 or 4 emails or even 5 emails. If an offer is running out, I could get even 6, 7 emails a day for like the last 2 days of the offer. And everybody knows it's a pitch, but so many people still read it. I even read it sometimes, even though I'm not interested to buy anything from him. I still read them sometimes because they're actually pretty funny. They're pretty cool, right? So eventually, at some point, if I'm interested in the products that he's selling, which I'm not at the moment, I'll probably buy from him because I bought in the past. I want to know more about the targeting parameters that are getting people to buy. The general ones, not necessarily specific. That would be dependent on the products that you are selling. For example, for international ad groups, I only found a few countries that have income available. You don't need to target income. If you're targeting income, then it's not really general. You should go more general than that. You shouldn't need to target income. That was just an example of different targeting options that I could use. If it was too general, because this is super general. Like this audience about expensive, okay, it could be a good idea, but like right off the bat, without people interested in watching TV, without people interested in watching that use Netflix or anything like that, to just right off the bat target people that get this kind of income, or people that watch TV, which is super broad. There's going to be millions of people, and then target income, or target Netflix, or target Hulu, or some other kind of TV network or something. It was just examples of different audiences that I might be thinking of, and for you to know that these options exist if you ever want to use them. Audience Insights is an amazing tool, and I'm surprised how many people are not using it. If you go to your business manager, you go to Audience Insights, this tool is amazing for research, amazing. Every single audience there is in your ad sets are right here. Every single thing you see, income like this, all of these options that you see, you can type these down in an ad set in your audience section, and you'll find all these options. This is amazing. Just spent 10 minutes just looking at this, at all the different things you can target. Because for you to be able to target, you need to know what you can target first. Right? There's a lot of different stuff you can target, but you need to know what you can target before you target. Yes, suck at copy. Oh yeah, everybody was saying they suck at copy. So remodeling these types of emails are amazing. I'll put more emails in it too. We're gonna jump into email marketing at the back end stuff. So that's more at the scaling. And we're gonna email hard, test hard, and do a lot of stuff. So I'll give a lot more samples of really good emails and 20 emails that I used in the past as well to make money.
And I
Outside,
also have a lot of templates for many things for the email.
yeah,
So I'm
we're
gonna.
gonna get in, yeah, we're gonna get into a lot of templates and a lot of material to give away the more deeper we go into this. Just reading more questions. Okay, you guys are funny. Eris, go back to Shopify school. I know. I feel like I feel like a newbie. I thought I knew everything. Should we always shorten handle, or if product is scaling? No, I guess you can always do it. Yeah, that's I'm from now on. I'm always going to do that. I'm never going to use Google or Bitly again. That Coach Johnny has a really, really solid point about authority, showing your actual site, your actual URL. Anybody could find it anywhere. You're not hiding it from anybody using Google or Bitly. You're not hiding it, and it's more of statistic reasons. It's more for tracking that you're going to be using it. But I've hardly used Google Analytics to check stuff since using Facebook, since all the stats that I need are in Facebook.
I will post. I will post just for the people that are excited that came today. Say yes if you want the cart abandoned emails, 3 emails with the exact times and what you need to say, and I'll post it in the Skype group.
That's good.
I'll send you guys. Eventually, we'll have it on a nice document as we do a video, but we just want to throw some gifts for you guys being good students. But the exchange is you have to say in the group how much value you are learning on these boot camps and incentivize people to show up. Is that cool?
Yeah.
We're gonna come in. We're working with this such amazing content with artists, different ways to scale. You're gonna be blown away.
Oh yeah, lots of stuff coming very soon. Amazing stuff. How much editing you do for the videos? Very, very little or nothing at all. It's speed at the beginning. Speed. You just throw something in there that demonstrates what the product does. If it's a winner, it's going to sell either way. If don't even worry about videos. If you cannot for the life of you make a simple video or find videos for your products, just use an image. And if the product is a winner, trust me, from the first day, you're going to have enough money to give somebody a few bucks to make you a video. Okay. I mean, if you're scaling and you're using images, hell, you can even message me. If I have like 10 minutes, I'll make you a quick video out of for your product. It's not only if you found a winner. Don't message me now. Oh, I'm going to test 10 products tomorrow. Can you make 10 videos? Just if you found a winner and it's with an image and you need it really fast, come and message me. 10 minutes, I'll create a quick video. And I'm also going to make a video training on how, using one of my softwares, how to quickly edit videos. It would take you legit 10, 15, 20 minutes max to edit videos for testing. So I got a lot of lists. I got a huge list of videos that I need to make. Then why do you start ads at 3 a.m. EST? You start 3. Okay, that's another good question. I've tested both launching ads immediately and launching ads the next day at 3 a.m. EST. The reason for that is to give time for Facebook to run its algorithms behind the scenes, so it can adjust which audience it's going to use and so on and so. It can optimize its reach and so on and so forth for your ad. So you're not launching it right away and then Facebook has to adjust its algorithms and so on. But to be fair, I haven't really noticed any difference doing both of these. So but for the benefit of the doubt, I just organized my team in a way as well to always have stuff ready, so we launch them the next day. So every day, no matter what, there's 5 running. So it's up to you. You can launch them right away. I spoke to some other guys as well in the group. They haven't seen any difference with that. They're launching right away. They're not launching the next day. It doesn't really matter. So it has nothing to do with profitability though, Dina. Launching 3 a.m. EST every day. It has nothing to do with profit.
What we're looking at for Facebook to spend fully your money, right? Instead of starting in the middle of the day, right? Which Facebook obviously is gonna spend your money. They love your money, and so there's two things that you can test if you're a test freak like us. If you're doing United States, you can do 3 a.m. or 7 a.m. If you're doing worldwide, it's 12 a.m. Okay, 12 a.m. That's when you do your ads, obviously for the next day, right? For the next day. If right now you're creating ads today, so you're gonna set them up for tomorrow. You can do what he said, 3 a.m. or you can split test 7 a.m. 7 a.m. works really well too. Okay, for United States. And if you're gonna do worldwide, you're gonna do 12 a.m. Okay. And awesome. I have the template for you guys already here.
Awesome.
Yes.
That's great. What else? Saying 2 emails every day? No. You're gonna create two emails every day, 2 different emails every day. You're not gonna send the 2 emails every day. 2 same emails every day. What time for emails again? Johnny just said that. 7, 9, 8 a.m. EST and 7, 8 p.m. EST. Is it Anik Singhal? No, it's not Anik Singhal. It's the email marketer? No, it's Michael Cheney. Michael Cheney and Ben Martin.
Okay, let's see. I sent a link here to everyone. Let's see if you guys get it. Ready, set, go. You guys got it? The email, the product, the 3 emails that I created for cart abandonment. Tell me if you guys got it. Yes. Tells you the times and everything. Okay.
Don't forget a video on Klaviyo. Yeah, I have it listed down. I have around 40 videos that I need to make. I have it on my list as well, Klaviyo. Aris, can you please recap a bit on the 3 ad copy styles, as I had some tech issues? Sure, man. Sure. It's just basically these 3 copy styles, really short ones, straight to the point, medium size, which these are recommended to do because it has information, pain, like you can clearly and very comfortably write down like 2 lines of what the pain is and what the problem is, and you can comfortably write another 2-3 lines of the solution and marketing. So yeah, the medium one is probably the best one to use, but I mean, you could test them all. It's just for you to know how many different types of ways that you can test as well, or split test as well. So you could split test all 3 of these with 1 ad set. And the long form here, which has the entertainment plus education, and it talks a little bit about every single pain and solution in a funny way. And you could use this for your fan page messages, posts, so it could be public, and you can also use this for your emails. Really good emails, really solid emails. You won't regret using these kind of emails. They're really, really good. Is that launching all 5 at the same time? What do you mean, launching all 5 at the same time, Barbie? Yes. Thank you. Got it. Thank you. Is that any more other questions? Is there any other questions? Next week, we're going to jump into the campaign process. We're going to get into the business manager, start setting up some campaigns, ad sets, setting up our ads. I know that's all this. I know most of you are waiting for that like crazy. Thanks for the recap. No problem. Scroll up to add 3, please. There. Yes, especially with, yeah. Yep. Black Friday, Christmas, yeah. These are really good emails. All right, well, that's all. Oh, YouTube downloader. I assume everybody knows what this is. If you don't, free YouTube downloader, you can download it from Google. Again, an easy, fast way to download videos from Google. So if you go to this video and you copy the URL and you open the YouTube downloader, it automatically detects the link. You don't need to copy paste it, and you download the video. So you can download the video onto your computer with the same exact quality, high quality, and you could put it in your ads, right? Free YouTube downloader, that's what it's called. Other than that, there's nothing else. That was it for today. Ad preparation. Next week, we jump into some really nice, juicy stuff. We'll see if we can do 2 boot camps next week, around Wednesday and maybe Friday, something like that, so we can get moving faster.
And we're gonna come up with Facebook stuff that they have not seen before, right?
Sorry?
We're gonna come up with Facebook stuff, tricks,
Of course.
strategies that they've never seen before.
Never seen. We're talking about the amount of testing that we're doing right now is insane. It's not even human. It's not human at all. It's by far everything but human. Put magic between you and Tube.
She's talking about retargeting too. Yes, Maritza, we have strategies on retargeting, 3 different layers of retargeting that you're gonna learn.
Oh yeah, don't worry, we have everything covered. everything is covered. It's gonna be a crazy next.
Like 3-day retargeting, 7-day retargeting, 14-day retargeting. Okay.
Yeah.
And the type of copies that you put on each one. A lot of people are lazy. They just put one simple ad, and what we do is we give different coupons on 3 days, a different coupon on 7 days, and a more even aggressive coupon on 14 days. Okay, and that's what we're gonna show, guys. Okay?
It's super crazy stuff coming up the upcoming weeks, and even the next couple of months till the end of the year, and especially 2018 is going to be hit very hard with me at the events as well. Lots of hands-on stuff that we're going to be doing, lots and lots of stuff. Next Friday is Black Friday, isn't it? I guess. Yeah, 24th, I think. Yeah, 24th is Black Friday. We don't go shopping on Black Friday. We work and do webinars. Is there any other questions? Anybody else, or we're going to wrap this up?
Okay, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for the in the group. Tell people to come. Take care, guys.
Everybody write at the Skype group.
Yeah.
Everybody. Cause some chaos in the Skype group.
Yeah.
All right, everybody, let's wrap this up. Thank you very much for being here tonight. Have a good day, good night, good morning, wherever you are in the world. If you have any questions, I'm going to be here for a while. You guys can ask any questions in Skype. If not, I'll speak to you all soon. Have a good night. Bye-bye.